The Xiaomi Z104 Drone is a professional-grade GPS drone, designed for aerial photography and FPV flying. Featuring a 4.5-inch screen display remote control, 8K HD camera, and dual EIS anti-shake gimbal, the Z104 delivers exceptional stability and stunning image quality. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, photographer, or adventure seeker, this drone provides high-performance features like optical flow positioning, gesture photography, and 20 minutes of flight time, making it perfect for capturing cinematic footage. With a 1503 brushless motor, GPS return to home, and advanced safety features like intelligent obstacle avoidance, the Z104 drone ensures a smooth flying experience. The foldable design makes it highly portable, while the 5G Wi-Fi image transmission provides live HD video streaming with a 500-meter transmission range. Key features of the Xiaomi Z104 Drone: 8K HD camera, capture stunning 12MP photos and 8K video, 7680 by 4320, with a high-definition front lens, and 4K video, 3840 by 1160, from the bottom lens. Dual EIS anti-shake gimbal. Enjoy stable and clear shots with the electric adjustable anti-shake gimbal that provides smooth video even during flight. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. The intelligent obstacle avoidance system helps prevent collisions by stopping the drone when obstacles are detected. For 0.5-inch screen remote control, no need for a phone. The 4.5-inch screen display remote lets you see real-time footage and control the drone easily with the built-in battery. 5G Wi-Fi FPV, live HD video streaming with 500-meter image transmission, providing a real-time view of your flight. GPS and return to home. Features automatic return, low battery, no signal, or long-range return, to ensure the drone returns safely. 20-minute flight time, equipped with a 3.7V 3000 mAh lithium battery. The Z104 offers up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Foldable design, compact and portable with a foldable frame for easy storage and transport, perfect for travel. Specifications: camera, 8K HD video and 12MP photos, 4K video and 1080p photos from bottom camera. Battery, 3.7V 3000 mAh lithium battery, up to 20 minutes of flight time. Charging time, 100 minutes. Control distance, 800 meters, no interference. Motor, 1503 brushless motor. Wind resistance, level 5. Size, 33 by 28 by 10.5 centimeters, unfolded, 15 by 18.5 by 10.5 centimeters, folded. Design, foldable, lightweight, 210 grams. The Xiaomi Z104 Drone is ideal for aerial photographers, FPV enthusiasts, and adventure seekers who need a lightweight, foldable drone with advanced features. Whether you're capturing high-quality aerial footage, exploring new locations, or just having fun, this drone delivers reliable performance and unmatched image quality. Perfect for cinematic video creators looking for 8K HD quality, drone hobbyists and adventurers seeking a compact drone, gift seekers wanting a high-tech gift for photographers or tech lovers. Fly smarter and capture stunning visuals with the Xiaomi Z104 Drone, the ultimate tool for professional aerial shots and smooth, stable flights. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.